Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the the token cost of your pets or plants in the latest Grow a Garden farmers market event. If you go to the index section here, you'll be able to see how much your plants and your pets cost. Here is the I think most oh, there's also Rarity, I guess. Okay, so there's value. Okay, so this one's the most expensive one, I guess, and then there's the rarity of it. Oh, the great pumpkin, all the transcendent plants here. And then there's also boost skins. If you purchased it using your Robux, you are able to resell them for a price. So for instance, they opened the box, the random chest, sorry, and then they got the fairy. They are able to sell it for this price. This person over here, oh my gosh, this update is so laggy. I'm a little bit fed up, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.